Coffee, just pour it and it's ready. But matcha? Why is it so damn hard to mix? Clumps everywhere. After running dozens of matcha attempts, I finally discovered a secret that no one talks about. First things first, if your matcha tastes fishy, you bought cheap stuff. Good matcha should be vibrant green, smell grassy, and taste smooth with a bit of natural sweetness. Now, to really see the difference, I like to do a quick finger smear test on the white paper. Check it out. This is the bad matcha. It looks dull and flat, like something from an old army ration. And here's the good one, showing off a vivid fresh green. You can clearly see the difference. And even if you get good matcha, there's still the mixing problem. You're supposed to use a bamboo whisk called a chasen. It's a Japanese word, I hope I pronounced it correctly. But I don't have one, and honestly, I'm not getting one either. So here's what I do instead. I mix matcha powder with a little agave syrup. I've tested a bunch of syrups, and agave is the only one that doesn't mess with the flavor. Could a plain sugar syrup work too? Probably, but I refuse to use white sugar, not in my kitchen. I also tried it with honey once, and it was a big mistake. My dad is actually a beekeeper, and I was raised on real honey, not that store-bought stuff, the real honey. So I know what good honey tastes like, and let me tell you, it was awful in matcha. Like shockingly bad, a total waste of good honey, so I'm not doing this ever again. Okay, so let me show you how I do it. I use 1 spoon of agave syrup per spoon of matcha. That's the minimum to make a proper paste. At first, it looks dry, like it's not going to work, but give it a few stirs and it starts melting into the syrup. You just need to make sure to mix it properly so the whole powder blends into the syrup. And that's your base. Once it's smooth, it will dissolve easily in water or milk and you won't need any fancy tool. Just remember, use hot water, not boiling water. Boiling water makes matcha bitter and nobody wants that. And then you can just add milk of your choice. I use full fat because, well, that's who I am. And that's it, my perfect smooth matcha latte. No clumps, no weird taste, just creamy and delicious. And I really hope I'm not offending any Japanese traditions here. This method just really works well for me. And as a bonus, I want to say that sometimes I like to add a splash of vanilla extract or a little cinnamon for that cozy chai vibe, or even blend it with frozen banana for an epic matcha frappe. Is it Italian word? I gotta check, I have no idea to be honest. It's a French word. Oui. Frappe. 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 I'm sorry. So if you found this helpful, give it a like, drop a comment, and hit subscribe for more simple and smart solutions. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time. Cheers!